Well, we take all their information down, you know, ask them, you know, get as much information as we can from them. Like, you know, what does it do when you're turning the corner? Does it do it slow, fast, you know, hot, cold? Always ask questions, you know, constantly. And we get them in here, you know, write them up, get all the information, and then, you know, ask them when they really need their car back, you know, and we try very hard to get the car back when they are promised. I mean, we make a big effort to do that because people do need their cars. I mean, they got to work, they got to drive their car. We basically just make sure that they're taken care of. We go test drive it, and we'll drive it and test it again and test it again. You know, we put a water pump on a car, we pressure test it, we drive it, get it hot, make sure everything's flowing through the engine. Pressure test it again. Okay, it's good, it's not gonna leak. You can have your car back now, you know? But we make sure, I mean, little stuff like that makes a big difference.